Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best edible flowers is probably one of the most visually stunning and surprisingly versatile ingredients you can add to your culinary creations, transforming ordinary dishes into extraordinary works of art with their vibrant colors and delicate flavors, making them a must-have for any home chef looking to elevate their presentation and impress their guests with a touch of natural beauty and gourmet flair. Number 5. Cure with organic dried rose petals. Discover the pure essence of nature with our certified organic dried rose petals. They are carefully sun-dried to preserve their natural beauty and aroma. These petals are food-grade and perfect for culinary creations. Elevate your teas, cocktails, and baked goods with a touch of floral elegance. Beyond the kitchen, they are wonderful for skincare routines and DIY projects. Unlock their potential for natural beauty and crafts. You can trust their quality as they are non-GMO, gluten-free, and free from any chemical additives. Enjoy them with complete peace of mind. Our edible flowers come in a convenient resealable bag, ensuring freshness and easy storage. Enjoy their delicate fragrance and flavor anytime. What we like. If you're looking for pure, natural rose petals for your culinary creations, this is a fantastic choice. They are certified organic and sun-dried, ensuring a clean and wholesome product for your teas, cocktails, and baked goods. Choose these if you prioritize natural ingredients and a chemical-free experience. What people say. These flowers are beautiful and add a lovely touch to cakes and desserts. The variety of colors and shapes is impressive, making them versatile for different culinary creations. They are fresh and vibrant, holding their shape well when used as a garnish. Number 4. TooGet Dried Natural Flowers Kit. Discover the exquisite beauty of nature with our carefully curated dried flower kit. It brings together a stunning variety of natural blooms, perfect for your creative projects. Unveil a delightful collection featuring red roses, peony balls, Gomphrena globosa, and peach flowers. Each box contains 4 bags, offering a generous amount of natural charm. Experience the essence of 100% natural flowers, harvested at their peak. With proper care, these delicate blossoms will retain their beauty for 3 to 6 months. Elevate your crafts and personal care products. From handmade soaps and candles to potpourris and wedding decorations, let your imagination bloom. These high-quality, natural petals and buds are ready to inspire. Explore the versatility and natural elegance they bring to every creation. Should you desire other floral varieties, please reach out to us. We are here to assist you promptly with your specific needs. What we like. For those who love to experiment with scents and crafts, this variety pack offers a beautiful selection of natural flowers. If you enjoy making potpourris, soaps, or decorating for events, this kit provides a diverse range of blooms. Consider this if you need multiple types of flowers for various DIY projects and want a good value. What people say. These flowers are beautiful and add a lovely touch to desserts and salads. The variety of colors and shapes is impressive, making presentation much more appealing. They are fresh upon arrival and hold their shape well when used as decoration. Number 3. 40 PCS 8 kinds natural dried pressed edible flowers. Discover the beauty of hand-picked, naturally dried pressed flowers. Each one is unique, carefully preserved to maintain its natural charm. Explore a vibrant spectrum of 8 colors, from deep purples to sunny yellows. This collection offers a seamless transition of hues for captivating multidimensional effects. These versatile petals are perfect for a wide range of projects. Add a touch of natural elegance to cakes, jewelry, scrapbooks, and home decor. Your flowers arrive safely, vacuum-sealed with protective inserts. This ensures their colors remain vivid and petals stay intact during transit. Handle these delicate blooms with care using tweezers. Preserve their artistry in shadow boxes, resin art, or as cherished keepsakes. What we like. If you're a crafter or baker who appreciates artistic presentation, these pressed flowers are ideal. The stunning gradient color collection and variety of blooms make them perfect for cake toppers, resin jewelry, or unique art pieces. You should choose these if you want to add a vibrant, multidimensional natural element to your creations. What people say. These flowers are beautiful and add a lovely touch to cakes and desserts. The variety of colors and shapes is impressive, making them versatile for different culinary creations. They are fresh upon arrival and hold their shape well when used as decoration. Number 2. 40 PCS Natural Pressed Dried Edible Flowers. Discover the beauty of hand-picked, real flowers, carefully pressed to preserve their natural charm. Each piece is a unique work of art from nature's own design. Explore 4 stunning varieties in a beautiful spectrum of pink hues. These delicate blossoms and full blooms offer a rich, multidimensional effect for your creations. Perfect for adding a touch of natural elegance to your DIY projects. They are ideal for decorating cakes, crafting unique jewelry, or enhancing scrapbooks. Our flowers are vacuum sealed with reinforced protection to ensure they arrive in perfect condition. This preserves their shape, color, and texture for lasting beauty. Use tweezers for gentle placement to maintain their delicate form. Embrace the natural variations, as each flower's unique charm ensures your creations will be truly one of a kind. What we like. For a touch of delicate, romantic beauty in your crafts, these pressed cherry blossoms are a wonderful option. If you're decorating cakes, making jewelry, or creating scrapbooks with a soft, elegant theme, these are perfect. Opt for these if you adore pink hues and desire unique, hand-picked floral elements. What people say. These edible flowers are vibrant and beautiful, adding a lovely touch to cakes and desserts. The variety of colors and shapes in this edible flower mix is impressive, perfect for creative culinary presentations. Fresh and well packaged, these edible flowers arrived in excellent condition and were easy to use for garnishing. Number 1. Purple Dendrobium Orchid Blossoms 50 CT. Introducing our stunning purple Dendrobium orchid blossoms, a vibrant addition to any occasion. Sourced directly from Thailand, these fresh blooms bring a touch of exotic beauty right to your doorstep. Each pack contains 50 exquisite orchid blossoms, ensuring you have plenty for your floral arrangements. Experience the unparalleled freshness and natural allure of these beautiful flowers. These orchids are carefully imported from Thailand, a region renowned for its exceptional floral quality. We bring you the very best, directly from the source. The rich, captivating purple hue of these Dendrobium orchids is sure to make a statement. Their delicate petals and unique shape add an elegant touch to bouquets, centerpieces, or personal adornments. Whether you're planning a wedding, a special event, or simply want to brighten someone's day, these orchids are the perfect choice. Their natural beauty and lasting freshness will impress. Enjoy the versatility of loose blossoms, allowing you to create custom designs. Let your creativity bloom with these stunning and fragrant flowers. What we like. If you're looking for a unique and exotic touch for your culinary or decorative needs, these fresh orchid blossoms are a standout choice. They are perfect for adding a sophisticated and eye-catching garnish to dishes or cocktails. Consider these if you want to impress with a truly special and imported floral ingredient. What people say. The flowers are beautiful and add a lovely touch to cakes and desserts. They are fresh and vibrant, making any dish look more appealing. A great variety of colors and types, perfect for any occasion. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.